So in a conveyance in Queensland, time is of the essence in a contract. You might have heard that term before. And what does that mean? That means that when there's a deadline in a contract, that you have to do things by that date, otherwise you're in default of the contract. So with default interest, if you're buying a property and you don't settle on the date that settlement's meant to be, so say it's meant to be the 1st of January 2025, or the 2nd of January, because the 1st of January is a public holiday, but let's say the 2nd of January 2025. If you don't settle then the seller has the option to either say that you're in default of the contract, or if they give you an extension, they can actually charge default interest. Now, normally the actual interest rate isn't specified in the contract. There's a Queensland Law Society published rate that you can get off the internet that changes over time. It's all based on the on a difference between the Reserve Bank interest rate and what interest rate is fair and reasonable in that circumstance. So your default interest can be charged in those circumstances, and it's usually just paid at settlement. So that can be a nice remedy if a seller's holding the property on for longer. They've got to pay interest to their bank. They might have other holding costs. That can really help to defray the costs if you don't settle. So if you've got any questions around that, then we can help you out there. We do a lot of property work, a lot of property transactions, and we can definitely make sure that if you're entitled to your default interest that you get it, or if you're not, or if you're the buyer, then maybe look at ways that we can avoid it as well. So if you've got any questions around this, message us below or send us a message directly. We'd love to help you out. Have a great day. Bye.